Guys, so if you watch my channel, you know that I need to drop my transom. I dropped my outboard. I need to figure a way to drop it 3 inches. This is a short shaft, and I have a 21-inch transom, which is actually bigger than a long shaft. So, first things I went and took a trailer. So this is from the back of a lawnmower, and it you know, it's like the tow point, you know, you can put a ball on a lawnmower. But what I was thinking about doing is taking this aluminum, you know, wherever I need to go, just like this. And I'll drill holes from the side here and here, and I'll attach this aluminum. This is a 12 horsepower engine, 2-stroke, so it's a light engine, and you know, I'm not trying to do too much. I'm not trying to go. Okay, so what I got was I just put my, and there's a little lip there, so I'm gonna go before the lip. And then here, I'm just gonna cut it off, because if you look down here, so that goes in at an angle. So and I have the guard off of mine. I don't take the guard off. Some idiot at my job. So we're doing the same thing for the other side. I'm not worrying about this. I'm actually cutting this thing a little short. That way it don't stick out. All right, here's our second piece. I don't know how good that's gonna do, but okay. Washer and nut on now. Oh, that sucks. What the fuck? Okay, make sure we're straight. This piece of shit. Alright. 2 other bolts done. 2 other holes done. One here, one here. I'm gonna drive my bolt straight through my framing here. So I'll put my stuff, my silicone in, and I'll squeeze. And you should see it start to come out of this other hole. Right there. want to make that cut, that's the type of bit you need. But you can do a lot with a router actually. But look at them nice cuts. Look what I just did to this board, bud. Okay, so I routed the edges and I routed the back. It's actually a self-drilling screw, but it's 4 composite. So I gotta pad it out. I just use these self-drilling screws. They work way better. You know, they go through all metal too, so 5/16 head. All right, go ahead and get the motor and see what happens. Guys, this is what I came up with. I'm gonna take it out in the water real quick to see what happens, but I'm whatchamacallit, I'm going to maybe pad that out, but for now, I mean, this thing is very sturdy, so we're gonna see what happens. Thanks you guys for watching. Have a great day. Okay guys, so took the boat out yesterday. My transom plate worked very great. Just doing a couple little modifications to make it last long. You know, yesterday I was in a rush, so I just put a couple of these screws. I'm gonna replace these screws with bolts and all that. But it did great. I'm gonna show you guys where I got my plate now. So it is like, so I could come down, I mean like a 1/4 inch, but I'm gonna live with that. I can trim it out here, so, but I didn't even need to trim it out yesterday. I had it where I thought I needed it, and it worked great. Okay, so one thing I did was I took that piece of aluminum off and I put a piece of diamond plate. It's thicker, and I needed this to be stronger than that piece of aluminum that I had in there. I took out all them screws that I had when I had that piece of composite here. I'm gonna put a board on the inside of here of a composite, and I'm gonna put a board out here, and I'm gonna squeeze this together so it'll give it a little bit more sturdy. 12, because I got these little tiny notches right here, and here that I need to notch around. I'm just gonna use my router. I have them on both sides just to make it a better fit. Alright, and so this is what I got. It's got a piece of metal that I actually cut out for my hatch, and that's gonna work perfect. I'm gonna cut these screws. I might leave the center one because it might help me guide for my center every time I put my engine on. One pad here. Perfect. Love it. Okay, I want to notch out this section. Just like that, that's my center mark. I know exactly. I need one going here, and I need one. I got a washer, that way this bolt don't sink through my composite. And in the back, I got Loctite nut on this one, and I got a Loctite washer with a Loctite nut on it. That ratchet is gonna be hard to get off, boys. Anyways, guys, this is what I came up with after I painted it. got it all nice. That's how it turned out. And it works very good. This thing is sturdy as hell. But that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. You guys have a great day. See you on the next one.